shades. Sometimes you know the black and the white. But majorly, you don't know the gray areas of the economy. And now why would they always come here? So that we go explain everything where they happen for the gray areas of the economy. Now, business matter be this on top Wazobia Max TV. My name is Frank Fagball. Now, we'll go straight into some of the hot stories where they happen for the Nigerian business landscape. But this story now is top for inside the capital market as the Nigerian Stock Exchange for the 6th consecutive week. Now, forget that grammar where I blew for this. Consecutive week means say, for the 6th week we follow from the first week, everything does they happen for the capital market. The capital market, no, they do very, very well at this point in time. And when I say the capital market, all those places where you say if you trade shares, if you buy your stocks, if you buy shares, they say, you know, they do very, very well at this point in time. And why all these things they happen? Because of the kind wavy policies where they happen for the Nigerian business landscape. And you know, say business, no, they boom as the day before. But investors, you know why? They always keep their money so that at the bulls run, at the time where we say things go happen for the market, when things start to the boom, they go down, they make profit at that point in time. Another thing where they happen for inside the Nigerian business landscape, and I say unemployment rate don't reach 33%. It is very, very devastating. And this thing, forget all this 33%, all these numbers where will they blow. Make I explain and give you so you go understand. They say 1 out of every 3 employable Nigerian, they unemployed for inside this country. What does that mean? It means say if 3 of your friends go university at the same time, when you graduate, now only 1 person they employed at this point in time. See how that thing be. And this thing, we get the highest rate for inside the whole world. It is very, very devastating if you ask me. And we'll see which kind of policies government won't put in place to make sure, say, okay, unemployment rates, they're very, very high. Why? And now why would they always come here? We they talk about business, talk about entrepreneurship. Whereas we say if you use they employ some kind of people for inside the economy. Another thing where they happen for inside the market, we say government don't come out. You get one time where we say banks and telecom companies talk say they won't stop all this USSD code. Now when I say USSD code, you know say you get some of your commercial banks, we go come out, we go text me you die *9, whatever hash. So that you go carry out some kind of banking transaction. Now they talk say they won't cancel them. All these people where they use torchlight phone, where we say they do some kind of banking transaction. Now they talk say they won't cancel all those USSD code. Now in government come talk say if you try them, we go put you for your place. If you try cancel all those things, why? Because the bank majority right now, many of them they don't able to use bank. Why? Because even their Palasa phone, their torchlight phone, they use them, they do some kind of banking transaction. And you won't come stop at this point in time. They talk say lie, you know if it happen for inside the economy. You know, so we know if you do here, we will get some kind of takeaway segment, and this takeaway we will give you. Now inside one clean white takeaway or inside the business landscape. And we get one guest, we won't get guest. He sit down for here. He understand everything really happen about startups and fundings. Now, I know say you go down here of Paystack. Paystack, we say they get some kind of huge fundings for inside the tech space. Another one will happen recently in Flutterwave. They get nothing less than $170 million funding. All of all this money where they fly enter some companies. Companies where we say they start from their bedroom for inside this same country, where they attract some kind of international funding. My guest won't come here. He won't explain everything we need to understand about startup funding. How as a startup, if you position yourself in such a way where we say, you could attract money inside your company, and that way you go feel scale up. That way, you go feel beat the second story where I talk about unemployment. You go feel employ lots of people for inside the economy. Now why my guest sit down for here, stand back in the bar. Don't go anywhere because why? My guest they here. And he named now Mr. Ayo Bamigbe Teriba. As he sit down for here, he go explain everything we need to understand about startup funding. You're very much welcome, Mr. Teriba.
Frank, thank you. Thank you so you invite me.
Yeah. So how you feel you explain? What thing they happen? They play around the venture capital space. And when I say venture capital, me you explain, give my guest. It means say all these things where we say all those companies where we say they look for growth, they look for startups, where we say they put their money, invest inside all these startups so that they could feel grow, so that they could feel scale up, so that they go employ much more people for inside the economy. How you take see this space and how you take see the venture capital market for inside this country and funding about startups?
Yeah. Like I appreciate you say you invite me to come on show.
Yeah.
I be Ayo and I work for Ingressive Capital, a $10 million venture fund. They invest for startups like Paystack.
Yeah.
So what thing we do? We know be rocket science, not very easy to know. But what thing we do? As you start the show, you talk about capital markets.
Yeah.
That one, our banks, our telcos, our people will don't list for stock markets. we dey work with people wey no list but need money to take continue business. So people go come with idea. Oga Frank, Oga Ayo, I sabi this thing. If I do if you give me money, e go blow. Okay, e go blow. Then we sit down with you. We talk. Wetin you want do? Who you want reach out to? How many people like this thing? We dey always ask one question. Shey this thing na vitamin or na painkiller? So now so they be for the venture space. Yeah. But then venture space don't open up now. It don't become more interesting. Who no one collect money?
Very true.
Who no one collect? Everybody want collect money. So venture space, it dey interesting. Opportunities don't dey. And the difference be say SME funding day, startup funding day.
What be the difference? My people won't understand. What be the difference between SME funding and startup funding?
Okay. You know, say 1 + 1 na 2.
Yeah.
If one person can tell you, say you own 1 + 1, na 100 income. So SME funding, SME na small business, small and medium enterprise.
Very true.
They just grow small, small. You put in, my mama they sell, she get shop, she they sell something. My auntie dey, she get cleaning company. Yeah. She dey employ cleaner. Yeah. The turnover the day. Yeah. But startup, now most times they backed by technology. Oh, okay. Those things where we say they make life easy, but you they see them. But if they talk say where in day, it dey cloud. You know if you touch them. But my mama they sell ice cream. If you meet them, if she give you money, you buy. So the difference be say for startup funding, it dey scale growth. The funding they come in to build growth. Say we say you go fit grow from 1 + 1 to 100. Now why company like Paystack for 5 years? When they talk say today, Paystack is worth 1 billion. That's true. That is about 4.7 trillion naira.
No be lie.
For today, Nigerian money.
So now, some business persons, they say business not only all about hustle. You hustle there, hustle till you die. Your slippers don't fade. You don't hustle tire. But how business persons feel use position themselves or inside the market so that they feel they use attract fundings and attract investors? So
the thing we say, a lot of times, even startups, we always tell people different means of funding day. There are about 4 days. You get what they call venture funding. That one they do about safe and convertible notes. There's another way they call debt funding. That one, if you give person money, it don't be say. But because you know say your business good is strong, you go pay. Now we see a lot of SMEs they do with central bank. That just be like loan. Yes, loan. Oh, okay. That would be like waiting central bank they do for a lot of SMEs. Say if you get a Greek company, come. Me will give you single digits loan. Very true. But venture funding, I give you money, I collect 10% for your company because I know say waiting you they do opportunity and potential day we fit enter $1 billion. Like people will put money for Paystack for 2016, 2015. Today now, if you look their money if you don't grow by almost 30%, 40% in space of 5 years. Which bank will give you that money in dollars? And that is 30x. So opportunities day for you to make money from startup, from like funding. But the truth be say, criteria is day by different startups. Speaking of criteria, waiting investors they look for, waiting be the exact thing. So as a business person, waiting investors they look for before they invest for inside your business. The first thing where investors they always look for, now who you be. Your personality. You as a person will get the business. They talk and say, investor will start from early stage. They invest in the founding team past the product. Wow. Because products fail tomorrow. Make a come this one now. About 3 years ago, crypto companies begin to start small. Last year, Nigeria be the second highest crypto traded country for the world. Now in central bank talk say, we no put hand for crypto. Again, now we just talk about finishing. So like that now so the things they take effect. So now they don't cut the opportunities. But because we know say the people where we give the money, they smart, they go find way to make sure say the opportunity for no die. Exactly. So now why we first of all they invest for the people and then again they invest for $1 billion opportunity. Where we say we know say this thing I need them. you need them. No be say na only one person need them.
So wetin they try to be say market wey be say
market wey dey scalable, and then the other one wey dey very important again.
Yes.
Na say we dey always look government regulations. Oh. But then the truth be say if you dey do early business, you no know wetin government dey go in come out. Wetin we dey always dey pray for na stable change of power.
Okay, so I understand you. Yes, we don't know what government fit do, but then in just one sentence, my people they always hear about seed funding, Series A, Series B, Series C. In one sentence, explain those three things so that they go understand. How possible? Because we won't go, no time again.
Yes, so one sentence. All these stages now, they call them growth stage funding.
Okay, growth stage.
Growth stage funding.
Yeah.
Pre-seed and seed. Now, say the startup just starts. It define product market fit.
Okay.
When it don't find product market fit, say the market don't dictate the quantity where they want. Don't say now you they push the quantity. The market don't talk say we want in this quantity. Then they need to find that kind of money we pay start collect. We Flutter with collect. Now they call growth stage funding. So from there reach Series H before they can go IPO, come turn capital market.